Howdy, neighbors, and good morning. Well, figured I better put some kind of video together since it's been a few days. Let's see. I think the last time I left you was headed for getting a trailer hitch put on. I don't remember. Let's see. Got the trailer hitch put on in Kingman, and the guy did an excellent job on it. I took some quick video clips of him cutting the old metal out and then welding the new in, so I'll do them right here now. Yeah, it gets a little warm, huh?
Watch your head.
Well, the first thing that's got to happen with putting the trailer hitch on is they got to take the hooks off. Finally got it torched off.
You gonna save this?
Nah, you can go scrap it. Use it for somebody else. I don't need it.
You just roll and scratch.
Yeah, I remember years ago the price of steel had skyrocketed.
No, his steel skyrocketed. It ain't too bad.
Well, the new hitch is getting welded in now. Need any welding done and you're in the Kingman area, this couple is the place to go. After he got done, I went to Flagstaff to pick up a U-Haul car hauler trailer so I could grab the van. I'd called them like 3 days before and they had a couple of them, and like a doofus, I didn't reserve them. So the day I showed up to pick one up, oh man, we're sorry, the last one went out this morning. The next one's not due in until Saturday at 10:30 at night. So I had to wait Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday morning. I was able to pick the trailer up. And I went over and hooked the van up and headed south and spent the night in Craigie Wash. And now Vicky and I are in Quartzsite. I'm getting ready to make a garbage run and a water run with the van. I've done a few things. I moved the shelf and extended it. I'm using up the wood that I brought with me. I got to get some more wood to do this side. I built a box on the box and I put all my batteries in there and electronics, because right now what I'm doing is I'm using my 6-amp battery charger to keep these batteries, or try to get them topped off. You know, I'm not using them now. I used them up pretty good in Flagstaff. But if I'm able to do, say, 6 hours a day running that. And the thing is that it's plugged into the 2000 watt inverter in the van. And so the van is powering the whole bus right now until I get all the other bits and pieces. Anyway, it feels kind of like home. And there's a lot of little stuff I need to do. Well, actually, that's pretty much what I am doing. A little bit here, a little bit there. The bus pulled the van beautifully. Hardly noticed it behind me. Already dropped the trailer off. So until I find a trailer I can buy, that's what I'll have to do, is just rent a U-Haul and haul it where I need it. I'm clearing out this side over here slowly so I can get to the cabinets. I've got more insulation to put up. Get that out of the way. But the big pile of wood that was here has been whittled down to a smaller pile. Let's see, what else is going on? Oh, I got a string of red lights. And they run all the way along there. So I got my red lights back for nighttime. Oh, gonna have to go find my chiropractor's hours again and go take a visit to him and have him put me back in shape. Okay, well, I guess that's enough for now. Sorry I haven't been posting regularly, but that's the trouble with being, retired and not a real YouTuber. And we've already noticed some of the neighbors around are the same neighbors we had last year, which is way cool. Okay, that's enough for now. Hope you all have a good weekend.